See how this motional EMF is induced means, suppose there is a plane, okay, there is a plane flying in air. You know that Earth's magnetic field is, let us say, 0.5 Gauss. Length of the wings from this end to this end, let us say it is 40 meters. And the velocity with which the plane is flying is 800 km/h. Then there will be an induced EMF. See, this is Earth and the plane is flying above it. Earth is like a huge magnet, so it will have its own magnetic field lines, right? And this plane is flying in that. So there will be an induced EMF, and it's a case of motional EMF. So motional EMF is given by BLV. So here V must be in SI units. So V is equal to 800 into 5 by 18. This is 2 nines, 2 400s. This is 2000 by 9. And this is 0.5 Gauss. So it is 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Tesla. So this is 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Tesla. Length is 40 meters and velocity is 2000 by 9. So this is 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4, and this is 8 into 10 to the power of 4 divided by 9. So these two gone. 8 into 0.5, it is 4 by 9. 4 by 9 volts. So this much voltage is induced in the plane because of its motion in the Earth's magnetic field. Okay. So this is how you can calculate